Managing anxiety through diet involves making thoughtful choices about what you eat to support your mental health. Here's how you can use foods to help alleviate anxiety. Number 1. Incorporate anxiety. Reducing nutrients. Start by including foods rich in key nutrients like magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, and B vitamins. Magnesium, found in spinach, almonds, and whole grains, helps regulate mood-related neurotransmitters. Omega-3s in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts can reduce anxiety. B vitamins from leafy greens, eggs, and chicken are crucial for brain health. Probiotics in yogurt and kefir support gut health, which is closely linked to mood. Number 2. Eat complex carbohydrates. Complex carbs like whole grains, oats, and sweet potatoes boost serotonin levels, leading to a calming effect. These foods also provide steady energy, preventing mood swings and irritability, which are often linked to anxiety. Number 3. Include antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, a factor in anxiety. Incorporate fruits and vegetables like berries, oranges, and spinach into your diet to enhance overall mental well-being. Number 4. Limit caffeine and sugar. Caffeine can increase anxiety and disrupt sleep, so it's best to limit your intake. Similarly, high sugar consumption can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, worsening anxiety. Choose whole foods with natural sugars, like fruits, for more stable energy. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can impact mood and energy, so drink plenty of water. Limit alcohol and sugary drinks, which can contribute to dehydration and affect your mental state. Number 6. Mind your meal timing. Eating regular meals helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing mood swings. Consider smaller, more frequent meals if large ones make you anxious, ensuring consistent energy throughout the day. Number 7. Consider herbal teas. Herbal teas like chamomile, valerian root, and lavender are known for their calming effects. Drinking these teas, especially in the evening, can help you relax and reduce anxiety. Number 8. Avoid or limit alcohol. While alcohol might initially feel relaxing, it can increase anxiety and disrupt sleep in the long run. Limiting or avoiding alcohol can positively impact your anxiety levels. Number 9. Eat mindfully. Mindful eating involves paying attention to how foods make you feel and eating in a relaxed environment. Chewing slowly and savoring your meals can improve digestion and reduce anxiety. Number 10. Consider supplements. If your diet lacks certain nutrients, supplements like magnesium or omega-3s may help. However, consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements to ensure they're safe for you. By making these dietary changes, you can use food as a tool to help manage anxiety. Coupled with other healthy habits like exercise and good sleep, these adjustments can lead to a calmer, more balanced mental state.